So the blower comes on for 90 seconds.
That's what it's doing now. He was saying when we push it in, it wasn't even doing that. There's a delay button. There's a delay. What delay? Because we have an old thermostat.
Yeah.
It should be coming on every single time like that.
Yeah.
And then that'll kick that on. Like, and it wasn't coming on, so I was like, it ain't making no sense. It should come on, even if you look at the thingy. See, that's what we're reading is those 12 lights. That's not even, we're usually reading 12 leaves. Blower on after power up, 115 or 24 volt. Blower runs for 90 seconds if unit is powered up during a call for heat.
Okay.
So we got called to heat. So it kicks on for 90 seconds. That's what those, that should are 1, 2, 3. 1. Yep, pause. 1, 2. Pause.
1, 2. Okay.
1, pause. 1, 2.
Okay.
1, pause. 1, 2. 1, 2. Lower on at the power. So that robot switch is okay.
Yeah.
Everything we got wired up is in there okay right now. Now we gonna see all twins are doing. Pressure switch,